So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to turn off advantage audience in Facebook ads, disable advantage plus targeting. So how to turn off advantage audience in Facebook ads? If you are running ads in Meta Ads Manager, advantage plus audience may automatically expand your targeting beyond your selected interest. So go to ad set, then audience section, then switch from advantage plus audience to original audience option, then turn off advantage detailed targeting and publish. So go to Meta Ad Manager, then click campaign and select your campaign. Then click on the ad set where you want to control audience targeting. Then under audience, look for advantage plus audience. Switch to original audience option. If you see advantage plus audience, then on. Click switch to original audience option or similar wording. This allows you to manually control location, age, gender, detailed targeting. Step 5. Disable advantage detailed targeting. Under detailed targeting, turn off advantage detailed targeting, advantage lookalike expansion if enabled. Click publish to apply changes. Turning off advantage plus prevents Meta from expanding your audience automatically. This gives you precise control over who see your ads. So the second method is turn off advantage plus in sales campaign. If you created an advantage plus shopping campaign, you cannot fully disable advantage plus targeting inside that campaign type. To fix, create a new campaign, choose manual sales campaign, not advantage plus sales. Set up audience manually at the ad set level. Manual campaign allow full targeting control without automatic audience expansion. Important notes are some campaign objectives like sales may default to advantage plus. And also in newer updates, Meta sometimes limit full manual control. If you don't see the toggle, duplicate the ad set and choose manual steps. Thank you.